respect for my colleague, but I do have to correct the record. He said that the member who lives in a 19-room mansion in Stornoway has never put forward any legislative agenda. I've been here 20 years, and he has put forward one. It was against vaccines. And I note that because we know how many of his backbenchers believe that vaccines are some kind of George Soros conspiracy. But it's not a joke, because Robert Kennedy's key lawyer has now just pushed to get rid of the polio vaccine. And we've got a guy who has no life experience, who lives in a 19-room mansion, who's pushing against basic health care protections to feed his QAnon base and his QAnon backbenchers. I'd like to ask him what he thinks about the threat being posed by attacking something as basic as the polio vaccine.
That's a good
Order, order. The Honourable for New Westminster, Burnaby.
Thank you very much. I have a lot of respect for my colleague from Timmins, James Bay, and that's why I praised his work for clean energy a few minutes ago. The Conservatives seem to have three-word slogans, and one of them, apparently, is bring back polio. I mean, it's just unbelievable to me that Conservatives would campaign across the country with the idea that make Canada great for polio again. We're talking about a serious disease that leads to lifelong disabilities, and yet Conservatives are campaigning against these vaccines. I don't know why you would have Conservative MPs campaigning on bring back polio, bring back diphtheria, bring back measles, bring back all of these diseases that have been thankfully put aside because of the presence of vaccines and investments in healthcare infrastructure.